Join me as I try to create the wildest candle scents you can imagine. Can I pull off a candle that smells like a cheeseburger or fresh laundry? Let's find out. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make candles with some crazy and unexpected scents that will surprise your friends. Many people think candle making is complicated and limited to basic scents like vanilla or lavender, but that's just not true. With a little creativity, you can create unique and amazing scents that'll make your candles stand out. I mean, who says you can't have a candle that smells like freshly baked cookies or a walk in the forest? The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to show you how to break free from the ordinary. One of the best things about making your own candles is that you can experiment with different scents and combinations to create something truly one of a kind. And the best part is, it's not that hard. With a few simple materials and some basic knowledge, you can start creating your own crazy scents in no time. So if you're ready to think outside the box and create some truly unique candles, then let's get started. We'll go through the materials you'll need, such as wax wicks and fragrance oils. Plus, I'll share tips on how to blend scents for unique combinations. You might be surprised at how easy it is to mix and match different fragrances to create something entirely new. Wax is the base of your candle, and it comes in different types like soy wax or beeswax. You'll also need a wick, which can be made of cotton paper or another material. And then, of course, there are the fragrance oils, which are where the magic happens. You can choose from hundreds of different scents, from fruity to floral to spicy. When it comes to blending scents, the key is to experiment and have fun. You might be surprised at how well two seemingly incompatible fragrances work together. For example, you might combine a sweet, fruity scent with a spicy, woody one to create something entirely unique. Watch as I reveal my favorite crazy scent combination and demonstrate the pouring process for a stunning candle that smells incredible. I'm going to show you how to create a candle that's not only visually stunning, but also has a one-of-a-kind scent that'll make your friends and family go wild. I'm using a combination of citrus and herbal fragrances to create a scent that's both uplifting and calming. It's a unique blend that's sure to impress, and I can't wait to share it with you. As I pour the wax into the mold, you can see how the color and texture come together to create a truly stunning candle. And the best part is, the scent is just as amazing as the look. It's a real showstopper, and I know you're going to love it. Today, you learned how to make unique candles that are sure to impress. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to scents, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a comment with your favorite scent ideas, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support.